Here we have the Cabri. Its pilot explained us some particularities of this nice helicopter. It has a light coming inside, the same as the R-22, and there we can see the cockpit. Now we'll open it. Yep. Remove it for flight. Check.
So I never made it. So I've never had a chance to even sit in one.
They're pretty cool. You've got a lot more room than an R-22.
Oh.
One of my first experiences flying one of these was across country from St. Louis to McMinnville in like August, July, August. Hot, going over the Rocky Mountains. Me and the flight instructor I was flying with.
Now you're changing the collective.
The collective.
And we can see here the collective changing. Nice, mechanically.
And then the cyclic changes it cyclically. So whichever blade is in the front is now going to be tipped down like so. And then if I rotate it to the side,
the blade only is affecting the front blade, right?
So as whatever blade is in front will change to that pitch angle.
My first time seeing it.